Yeah. Oh, that is too dark. Too dark. That's about right. Oh, spilled. This is usually how the beginning of my day start, either before I go ride or if I'm not going to do anything. Got some coffee and Joey Mac videos. If you don't know who Joey Mac is, I'll link his channel down below. He's a really good writer and posts a lot of funny stuff. What up? What up? Slapping in the Subi.
Benza has someone to come look and get us bike at 11.
Really?
Or 10:30, so. And they're not even fishing anymore.
Alright, so. Are we still gonna go get donuts?
Yeah.
Alright. So now we have a plan, even though it's raining.
Found those clips you saw? Better idea, and then he's like, no, I think you should do that. I go,
What, dude? Explain your story.
no, because Ben's gonna watch this.
Okay. Exactly. You have to make everything over dramatic.
Breaks my door handle. Dude, it pains me.
It's for the vlog.
That's my front window. It's for the vlog.
It is, dude.
Please don't be talking here.
No, you have to.
No, if you're talking, I'm walking out. And pulling a bend, you stop.
Oh, he's gonna leave me. Fuck. Really?
Let me unlock real fast.
Come on, dude.
Or see the fucking Essie's donut there is. Oh, yeah, get the chocolate crumb donut and then the fucking.
Yeah, you don't have to be a dick, dude.
Stop. You and your iPhone soon blows.
Yeah, well, we can go mudding. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Might as well mock me since it's on video now.
Nah, I'm not that mean.
There's our shitty high school.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Ooh, Kodak. Oh, you just said what I said.
He knows you're there. Alright, get this off-road real fast.
Oh, rare. This is why we bought a Subaru. Oh. Oh.
Hold it. Yeah, hold on.
Oh, damn, that was gnarly.
I think I should do that.
Hey, is your car okay?
I think so. Oh yeah, it's driving kind of funny right now. You feel all like bumps. You fart?
Yeah.
No, you serious?
No.
Probably my dad's working.
If you go slow, you'll be fine.
I don't know if I want to.
Just go pull up on it and just check. Dude, you're good. You're good.
I get stuck on it.
Watch this. You could just slip out. Yeah. Dude, you're the off-roading master.
You know.
That's why you bought a Subaru. He's a rally club. Hey, what you got there?
Don't get your messy.
We're doing a donut review here. Ooh. Damn, eat that donut. Yeah. Ooh, is that maple bacon? Shit. Ooh.
Got a little paper with that one.
Good shit right here. What are you doing? You gotta get the views, bro.
I get those goosebumps every time I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key in Onyx, find a rider.
This is where we practice for our. This is where he practiced for his rally race.
That's a weekend and holiday request too. I'm getting those for you since I stepped through, and I got more for you right now. This is actually a big one, and a lot of y'all loving it. Just watch out for the album that's coming up off of Better You Than Me, which is the new project from Rick Ross. This is by Back to Black.
Only Subies can do this. Oh, look at that rut. Oh, sliding.
That's got the ABS sensor, boy.
Are you actually?
Yeah. Last time I was trying to get fucking stuck, dude.
Gavin, you want to explain to the viewers what you're doing here?
I'm getting stuck.
Ah. Yeah. They're having to Tatum and us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But it's rainy right now, so I'm assuming there shouldn't be anyone here right now. I'm like all scared to get stuck now.
Just don't go in that spot. That jump floats you so crazy. Oh.
Oh shit, so I'm trying to avoid overside again.
Where Gavin got stuck last time.
Look, someone went down there.
might put the picture in the video.
It's not even ringing.
Who are we calling, Gavin? Ben. Oh, look at that FMF sticker. That's clean.
Watch who answered this time. Is that truck you're gonna try to buy?
Does Ben ever answer his phone, Gavin?
Does it look like it?
Oh. Leave a voicemail for him.
No. I won't even read. Hey, listen.
What, dude? What's in there? What are you doing? Look at me just real quick. Just real quick. Ow.
Take your fucking trash. You're not gonna fucking.
Alright, take my trash. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Ow.
That's a hurt leg. You wanna get redded again? Land in my car. Right in the middle of the road. He chooses to stay in his lane. You're gonna be the one getting to do it most of the time, though.
Just the one.
I mean,
Just
we'll
the
both.
one?
Yeah, we'll both be sharing it.
Alright, we're gonna go fuck with some people with that one. We'll be back. Nah.
Just fucking do it right here. I guess I was gonna.
Did he flip us off?
Did he?
Where are we at now, Gavin?
Ben Favis's house.
Ben's house. The guy that never answers his phone. We just showed up.
Yeah, we had to text his dad.
Yeah, we had to text his dad. It's pouring out now. Dude, I called you like 30 times. Why don't you answer
I
your phone?
texted you on fucking Snapchat.
Dude, why don't you answer your phone?
Because you guys are a fucking bunch of assholes, that's why.
Why?
Because you guys won't fucking stop calling me.
Well, you should answer your phone so we can talk to you
phone
one
on me.
time. Oh. Well, you're in the vlog now.
Yay. I'm so fucking excited.
Oh, look at me. Ugh. That's bunk.
Fuck you.
Hey, Ben, where are we going?
Cycle gear.
Do you have any other
For
clothes?
what?
For dirt bike stuff.
What's your dad doing for us?
Give us $30 each to buy some stuff.
Yeah.
By the fire. I took one by the fire. Really?
Cycle
That's
gear.
gonna be
Oh, there's my truck.
No, but I took one by the fire. Like, well, tomorrow, guys, we're gonna go to
Cycle gear?
We're gonna go to cycle gear, and then we're gonna go fishing. And yeah. My full station for baby.
Oh, thank you, kind sir. So many grips. These ones are pretty dope. Might get these. Change our mind. Getting these track sides. All black. Pretty sick.